Fall out. Everyone fall out. Get lost in this town. Some road that's getting worn, and I feel now. 'Cause I got older and we got tired. Heaven, I know that we tried. Heaven, I know. Heaven, I know.
I wonder what's in that, because whatever it is, it's green. That other stuff that we've had's not good.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'd say it's got some alfalfa in it.
No, whatever it is, they love it.
It's gonna be goat food later. Alright.
So today we're cleaning out the stalls and we are laying down some barn lime and diatomaceous earth to disinfect the stalls and get that ammonia smell and poop out of here. We let Keaton have a sledgehammer. He went in and tore the coop up and made it just one open barn for our boys. We also put barn lime and diatomaceous earth down there. We hung our hay feeders, and now we're giving our babies their CD&T. Is Nikki's, and you can tell because her little head is brown and her body's black, and I think I love her. If I have to get rid of the other one, I think I love her. She's got little blue eyes. Her so pretty. Look at how brown her head is.
She don't have blue eyes. They're like a brown
brownish,
and a
can
blue.
see they're hazel.
Ooh.
All right.
So she was 103.3.
I like these from Rural King because they already come with the needle on it, but it don't matter. Oh,
They're
see
sisters.
what you doing, Susie? You getting shot? All right, we're all done. I've gathered from each stall, which made it easy. We didn't have to follow the goats around trying to figure out which balls were theirs. These are all ready to go to the vet on Monday to get checked for worms and stuff like that. So I'll know. But anyway, and I just label them. Like that one's Coco's. This one's Lulu's. So they'll know whose is who. All right, so today it's cold. And everybody's eating. And I brought them treats. So they're going to be super happy, especially Alma and Jean. But right now they're eating.
So Soto is our baby cat that we were going to give away until we saw that he was a long-haired cat. How he became a long-haired cat, I have no idea. Maybe they can be like that, I don't know. Or maybe he's not mollusted like we thought he was. But anyway, so he just found this place yesterday, and it's like the best adventure of his life. He's climbed every tree up here. He's went in every hole. Oh, really? You just helped yourself? Marley Aldridge, get out of this fence right now. You know better. Go. Go. Good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No, not you. You two are just dying to get through that fence. Come on, baby. Every animal that I own is up here. No, Marley. No. Oh, yeah. See, I love animal cookies. They're my favorite. My favorite in the whole world. Chew it up first. Alright, that's all. Okay. You gonna accept that? Come here, Deke. Come here, Deacon. Alma, you have to share. You have to share animal cookies with your friends. You have to share them with your friends. You can't eat all. Here, Deacon. Here, Deke. Baby Kiki. Let's see who we can give a cookie to. Alma, go away. No more. Come on. Come on, Chanel. Coco, come on. You're my beautiful blue-eyed boy. Look who's underneath me. Can I have another one? Come on, Chanel. Alma want a cookie? Of course she does. Come here, Melody. Oh, what we got going on right here? They're trying to figure out the cats. Come here, little baby. Alma, you can't keep following me around and eating all the cookies. Melody. Melody. My sweet Melody. Her loves animal cookies too. Excuse me. My other blue-eyed boy. Hi, Lulu. Lulu wants one. Tyrion, you want one? My little boy? Here, Taya. Good girl. Alma Jean. Now that is not nice. You wait your turn. You've already had half the bag. Here, Victoria. You want a cookie? Want a cookie? My sweet blue-eyed Taya. Now that once they taste them, they're like, I love cookies. Them quite a bit. So maybe, since I have animal cookies, they'll come over here and be my friend. Oh, whoops. All my teenagers. And then who's this? Always one that wants to eat out of the bag. Really? There's some. Let me get him. Right there. He likes to eat out of the bag because he's a big dog. He's spoiled rotten. Oh, my sweet little girls. Everywhere. What? You want a cookie now? Is that what it is? Sit. Sit. Marley. Marley. Good girl. Max. Good boy. Griffin. Good girl. What are you two doing? All right. Sit. Good girl. Marley. Griffin. Max. Good, good, good.